Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to activate a T100. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, once you have the T100 open, as you can see, you can either leave it in the box or you can take it out. I am going to be leaving it inside the box because this is a one-man job right now. So all you can do is you can come over this side. I am going to be placing our battery. It's not going to click, but it did click for us, but once it's in there, make sure it's in. And then we are going to be needing our controller, which is going to be under this foam right here. You can lift this out. Alright guys, once you do have the controller unboxed, you are going to need a external power to turn on the drone. So it can be a USB-C, or if anything, we have an external battery. And then we're going to place it in here. We are going to give it a couple of seconds to fully power on. Once the lights go away, you can turn it on. And basically, if you want, you can remove the external power. It won't turn off the drone, as you can see. Once you have turned on the remote controller, as you can see, you're gonna be prompted with welcome to the DJI RC Plus 2. What you're gonna do is pick your language. We're gonna do English. And here's the software terms of use. You can go through it, but we're just gonna quickly scroll through for you guys. Hit agree. And you are gonna need to be connected to Wi-Fi to make sure any updates for the remote controller or drone need to be in, or the battery as well. So we are gonna put in our Wi-Fi. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, it's gonna put you back to the Wi-Fi network. All you're gonna do is click next, and then make sure you do select the correct time zone. We are in the Pacific time, and then we're gonna hit next. It's gonna make sure you're on the right time zone. Hit confirm, and this is where you either can log into a previous account from DJI or you create one. We are gonna be logging into one of our accounts, so give us 1 second. All right guys, once you have put in your credentials and login, all you can do is click on login and activate, and it will prompt you with the security code. So we're gonna put 734L. Then once it's gonna prompt you, you can go through all the settings, but we're just gonna hit not now. If you need to go to the product improvement management, you can, but we're just gonna hit not now for now. And then you're always going to be on this homepage. You can hit start, and this will help you turn on the battery, etc. But I've been showing you this, so we're just going to hit skip for now. And then it's going to pull up to the DJI Agras app. And this is where you're going to be most likely going through the settings for now. We're just going to hit next. And then we're going to hit join now because it's important. Hit now. And then this is one of our teams. We're just going to hit so we go for now. And then we are going to be, now we can turn on the drone and the battery. All right guys, so this drone has already been tied to the remote controller and the drone. All we had to do, it's already been linked for us. Like I said, I'm gonna hit that not now for now. We are gonna hit activate aircraft, so we're gonna hit activate aircraft, and then like I said, you can read do the DJI terms of use. We're just gonna scroll down and we're gonna hit agree, and more policy and privacies. Scroll down and hit agree, and then this is going to be all your correct information. Hit next, and like this is aircraft name, you are going to give it a special name so you're not unorganized with all your drones. So I like to get the last 4 digits of the serial number of the drone. We are going to give it a special name, so we're going to make this the T100. And then the last 4 digits of the serial number of the drone. Once that, you use the control stick modes, whatever one you like. I like mode 2. We're gonna hit done, and it will be redirecting you to activate. It says aircraft activated, restart before using. We're gonna hit restart now. And then it's gonna turn off the drone. It will turn on very shortly. We just have to wait. And as you can see, I didn't have to turn on the battery or the drone, it turned on by itself, it should restart, and then you can hit begin, and you can click on route, let's just say, and it will prompt you all the things you go to the settings, which you can hit now, and then click, and then we can use the camera and all that. Okay, everybody, that was the activation process of the T100. Be sure to check out our new videos coming very shortly. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.